Oh, basically, it's going, but because it's raining, and yeah, and everything likes down now. All is down. So, for example, this look, yeah, it's all down because it's been raining and it's so windy. So I might leave it as it is, yeah, because it's too much. I mean, I think I know this one is too heavy to carry. So yeah, I just leave it until they're ready. Yeah, I hope supposed to become more sunshine, so just leave it. Just leave it for a bit. Look there, it's going. This is the problem when I do late. So for next year, I will try early. Yeah, but I will be working out. Just it's cold now, honestly. It's so cold. Today is cold because it's been raining and winter is here. Oh my gosh. I know I got something down there. Look, it's down there now. I just leave it. It's getting crawly. So next year I need to get those like a thing. Leave it. It's nice to see that anyway. Yeah, this side is a lot. It's big. Really big. I think some of them is hidden. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of tomatoes in it.